Good morning. Present perfect simple past. Let's see who speaking today. Mary's sister laugh. Sipping juices. Frank's speaking about your shadows. Tom's several and Dick's name are unusual. Let's zigzag on the ice which Phillips escaped. The candidate's speeches Swandy Falls. Tuadus so Shakira's show. Her face showed nice small. Wendy's sister likes sausages. The Cyclops sack eats cheese sticks. Oh, alone, go, only, no, knock, open, strong, show, over, strong, stroke, okay, Jones, grow, oceans, stones, flow, owner, coke, tomato, out the ark, comes, potato. Fun young and home. Dogwood talk strong. It's snow and grows. Go oh yeah the phone call. Me house and straw yours. Go grow tomatoes and potatoes. Dog of chorus the Chows Island. Some boys has stole my combs.